beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Yinka Beams. My name is Olayinka. So I mentioned in my previous video that I've been trying some homemade things, and the next on my list is trying yogurt. And so I made my first yogurt because I wanted to make my first parfait. So I had to go through a whole lot. This yogurt showed me shaky. So many things went wrong. The culture I bought from the supermarket did not work very well. So I decided to do my own culture. And at this yogurt, I learned a whole lot because I learned that, okay, I understood what is sweetened yogurt or sweetened yogurt, Greek yogurt, and I can also make my own culture myself. Because when I was trying the yogurt, the culture I bought from the supermarket wasn't culturing. So I had to do it myself. So I learned a lot on this yogurt because I now learned how to do my own culture. I understand that if I keep it a longer time, it's going to sour because yogurt is congealing. And that's because after I decided to turn to Greek yogurt, I left it for over like more than almost 10 hours. So what go congeal, but the yogurt was not bad. So I decided to proceed to prep what I would need for my parfait. It is what I need for homemade. I just decided to add whatever I like. As you can see on your screen, we have honey. You can see apple. I cut it. Those robo, those multicolored. I bought it. People that are selling, and they have dates. And left hand we have the coconut flakes. I did the coconut flakes myself too. Then these chocolate biscuits. I decided to have chocolate biscuits because I love the biscuits. So it might not be looking pleasing to the eye, but it's not bad for a first attempt. What do you think? So I did for me and my husband, and it was too sweet because there is honey inside. There's apple, chocolate biscuit, robo, date, coconut flakes, and honey with yogurt. So what if I tell you that we didn't even eat half of this? So I decided to turn into smoothie, and I blend everything together and I put it in a freezer. Then after a few days we took it and it made sense. So this is the outcome of the first parfait I made, and I made my first yogurt. So now I know how to make my own yogurt culture, and I'm so thankful I learned that. So that is the gist I have for you today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, the next time I'm going to do any homemade things, I'm going to be sharing it. So I'm going to see you in my next video.